Senior authorities, and all my dear friends. Hope all the members are safe from the pandemic diseases coronavirus. It's very important now to be alert and is very necessary to talk about taxless India. For what and for why we need the campaign for taxless India. We started Taxless India scheme for the welfare of the nation. Campaign of Taxless India will help us to remove corruption and abuse of tax. Aim of Taxless India campaign is to understand the importance of tax and make the people to become self-reliant. Each and every citizen of the country must realize and ensure that the hard-earned money they are paying in the form of tax is to ensure for the creative activity or process of the nation. Employees who are receiving salary from government will have two types of responsibilities. First one, as a citizen of the country. Second one, public servant of the country. The tax which is paid by the citizen of country is to be more effective for the development of country. The economist of the country glorifies that the taxable amount is the backbone of the country. We have to create awareness among the people about the tax. We should not allow anybody to spend the tax amount for unwanted activities. Tax is the asset of the country. Money of the people ruining because of corruption. Any government who is coming into power for 5 years has to raise the slogan that we will not exploit the people and will not allow to misuse the hard-earned money of the people. Due to prevailing economic recession by the coronavirus, the government income is considerably going down. The income of the people has considerably reduced due to lockdown and the subsequent prevailing situation, so that our party has decided to start a campaign for taxless India. Both the central and state government should not impose the burden of tax to the poor and ordinary people. They should reduce the unwanted expenditure and reduce the exposure of the government. We start this campaign to demand the central and state government to avoid the unwanted tax of petroleum products in the country. We invite all the people of India and all political parties to come forward and unite for the welfare of the people of India. Thank you. Have a fabulous day. Jai Hind.